It is very much possible to make any amount you desire to make online, starting from $1, $2, $3, $5, $10, $20, $30, $40, $100, $1,000, $1,000,000, and how much you want to make depend on you. These are the factors that is going to tell you how much you are going to be making online. The amount of energy you put in, number one. How resourceful are you? Number two. Number three, how fast or the information you take in is going to be number three. Don't let anybody whine you that you cannot make this money, or anybody is telling you that it is very very easy. It's not very very easy. It is going to be very very easy once you start and you spend more than 3 months on a craft. If you are just starting, you just feel like, here today I want to go and make $40 online in any organization, in any business, in any craft. Don't expect it to be very very easy like the pro say. Expect it to be just expect it to be hard. It is when you now spend up to 3 6 months, that is when you should be expecting it to be very very easy. Example, forex. If you want to make $40 daily in forex, you must know the right thing to do. You must have enough capital, you must have enough resources, you must also have enough knowledge. And in forex, the knowledge is the key. The skill set gangan is the key. Let us say you want to do them affiliate marketing, you also need the knowledge, you also need the capital. All businesses need capital. It just depend on the business you want to do. It depends on how much capital is going to require. Trust me, for you to be making a $40 online daily, you have enough capital. And if you think here you just want to start with $0, you are going to make it. But trust me, just put it at the back of your mind that you are going to work, you are going to work, you are going to sweat, because in this life there is nothing like free. There is nothing like free. And if they offer you a free thing, know that you are going to pay for that free thing. You might not pay financially, but you are going to pay mentally, stress wise, engagement wise, consis wise. You are going to pay. Also, if you say you want to start a YouTube channel, you have to wait till you reach your threshold in order to monetize. And the threshold is 1,000 subscriber plus and 4,000 hours watch time. So once you reach that place, you now have to keep posting till you are able to make your $40 a day. You can make the $40 a day, but you won't make the $40 immediately to start the business. For some business, you can make the $40 ASAP, but it's going to require you to be with a mentor, someone that has been in the business, somebody that know how to actually go with the business. That is how you can just say you start today and you are making $40 a day. So this video is just to tell some people the reality of life, and to understand that if you just want to start a craft and you just want to start and make $40 the day you start the craft, my brother, my sister, it is it is not possible. It is not possible. Some might have luck, but it's going to take 1 out of 100 people to have that luck, or maximum of 10, of 10 people to have that type of luck of starting a craft today and they're going to make $40 today. But if you know you want to make the $40, you just have to focus on a craft, work on the craft for like 1 to 3 months, and you have to put in the energy, the resources before you can make the $40 a day, mostly in forex. So if you are new to this channel, just check out all the videos I've been doing. I have post educational content and content on forex trading. So make sure you blow that subscribe button for more.